Hey guys, it's Kate from Crafting with Kate, and I just wanted to show you a trick that I have. In order to keep costs low, sometimes I get misprint, and then I'm able to, return that lower cost to my customers. But they don't want this label on it. They want a plain straw. And so I'm going to show you today how to take care of that yourself. So all you need is some sandpaper, and you are going to sand it off. And you don't even have to press that hard. You can see you see it? Starting to come off, getting lighter. Now I start with this sandpaper, and you can see it's coming off. And then I move to this sandpaper, which is a little bit finer. And let's see, this is 150, this is 240. I'm not really sure what those numbers mean, but this is what I use. And I'm sure someone will correct me if I'm wrong. All right, so now it's smooth. I can feel that there's nothing else left on there. The problem is, and I don't know, let's see if you can see. Can you see? Come on, come on. It's still there. You can still see it, even though it's smooth to the touch. And I got everything that was printed on there off. You can still see it? That it's there. And we don't want to see that because that really makes this straw useless. And this is where the trick comes in. I use, and I've shown this in other tutorials, Flitz polish. And it's for metal, plastic, and fiberglass. And they say it restores paint too. I haven't tried that yet. So what I do is I take a paper towel and a little bit of my polish, and it comes out, it's like a minty green. And then, let's see if I can make this easier. I polish my straw. You don't have to rub that hard, but you do have to rub. It's not light, but it's not like you need a whole lot of strength to be able to do this. You can see, look at that, it's working. And I just take my time and I go over it. And I'm just trying to find if there's anything left I need to take off. And I just keep rubbing. Maybe I'll get a new cleaner spot. It doesn't take much time. Oh, I see one tiny spot right in the middle here. I might need a little bit more polish. Let's see. And like I said, you sort of have to play with it a little bit. Now I can still see one spot in the middle. You just wipe it off. So You can see right here. Can you see right here? See that? So I'm just going to add a little bit more. With my polish. And take some time. And like I said, this takes time. I mean, you can buy them without this, but then the costs are higher, you know? So to me, taking a little extra time to be able to offer a better price to my customers is worth it. And there we go. Now you can see there's nothing there. And I will wash this. See? And it comes right back to its normal shine. Hope that helps you out. And you can find some good deals too. Have a great day, everybody.